Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best car detailing pressure washers. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5. The Kärcher Pressure Washer. Delivering 1,700 psi true pressure and a maximum flow rate of 1.2 GPM. This electric pressure washer provides reliable power for removing dirt, grime, and stains from driveways, patios, decks, vehicles, siding, and fencing. Its CETA-certified performance ensures dependable cleaning results, while 3 interchangeable spray nozzles let you switch between light rinsing, targeted cleaning, and stubborn stain removal with ease. The integrated 0.5-gallon detergent tank helps loosen tough buildup for a deeper clean, and the automatic stop function conserves energy by shutting off the motor when the trigger is released. Designed with an ergonomic foot switch and never flat wheels, the K1700 is comfortable to operate and easy to move around your property. It's a practical solution for homeowners seeking efficient, everyday outdoor cleaning performance. Number 4. The WORX 40V PowerShare Hydroshot is a versatile portable power cleaner designed to tackle everyday outdoor cleaning tasks without the need for a power outlet or garden hose. Delivering up to 800 psi and 1.0 GPM, it effectively removes dirt, mud, and grime from vehicles, patios, outdoor furniture, bikes, and more. Its advanced brushless motor 2.0 provides improved efficiency, longer runtime, and increased durability for dependable performance. Weighing only 5.3 pounds, this lightweight cleaner is easy to carry, making it ideal for home use, camping, boating, or remote cleaning projects. The 2-speed pressure settings allow you to switch between powerful cleaning and water-saving operation, while the 5-in-1 nozzle offers multiple spray patterns for different applications. A 20-foot quick connect hose and extended cleaning lance provide greater reach, helping you clean hard-to-access areas with ease and convenience. Number 3. The Westinghouse WPX 3200 gas pressure washer delivers powerful outdoor cleaning performance for homeowners who need reliable results on demanding jobs. Producing 3,200 psi and 2.5 GPM, it quickly removes dirt, grime, mildew, and stubborn stains from driveways, patios, decks, fences, siding, vehicles, and outdoor furniture. Its durable 212 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV engine provides dependable power, while the maintenance-free axial cam pump ensures consistent water flow during extended cleaning sessions. The onboard half-gallon soap tank makes applying detergent simple, helping loosen tough buildup for a deeper clean. Equipped with 5 quick-connect nozzles, the washer adapts easily to a variety of cleaning tasks, from gentle rinsing to concentrated pressure washing. A rugged steel frame, large never-flat wheels, and a 25-foot abrasion-resistant hose provide excellent mobility and durability, making this pressure washer a dependable choice for regular residential and outdoor maintenance. Number 2. The Chemical Guys electric pressure washer combines powerful cleaning performance with a compact, user-friendly design for homeowners and car enthusiasts. Featuring a 14.5 amp motor that delivers up to 2,030 psi and 1.77 GPM, it effectively removes dirt, road grime, mud, and stains from cars, trucks, patios, driveways, decks, and outdoor surfaces. Its lightweight construction and pre-installed 360-degree rolling casters provide smooth maneuverability, making it easy to move around garages, driveways, and tight spaces. The premium 25-foot flexible hose and 35-foot GFC eye-protected power cord offer extended reach, reducing the need to constantly reposition the unit. An integrated cable management system keeps the hose, power cord, spray gun, wand, and accessories neatly organized for hassle-free storage. Standard universal connections also make it compatible with popular foam cannons, snubby spray guns, and quick connect fittings for added versatility. Number 1. The CRAFTSMAN electric pressure washer delivers dependable cleaning power for tackling a variety of outdoor maintenance tasks around your home. Producing up to 2,100 psi and 1.2 GPM, it effectively removes dirt, grime, mildew, and stains from driveways, patios, decks, siding, vehicles, outdoor furniture, and more. Its CETA-certified performance ensures reliable cleaning results you can trust for routine household projects. The integrated soap tank makes it easy to apply detergent, helping loosen stubborn buildup before rinsing for a deeper clean. A durable 25-foot kink-resistant hose and 35-foot power cord provide extended reach, allowing you to clean larger areas with fewer interruptions. Built-in storage keeps the hose, wand, nozzles, and power cord neatly organized after every use, while the large 10-inch wheels make transporting the unit across different surfaces simple. It's a practical choice for efficient and convenient residential cleaning.